I'm going to start this problem by saying that I need to change that square root sign. There is a rule that says if you have the square root of x, that is going to be x to the 1/2 power. Or the other one is if you have the nth root of x, that's x to the 1/n power. Either one of those works. So I am going to start by saying that this is the log of the x to the 5th, y to the -10th raised to the 1/2 power. But then I've got powers to power, so if you have an x to the a that is raised to the b, that is x to the a times b. And there's another power that, or another exponent rule that says if you have x times y raised to the a power, then both bases, the x and the y, get that base of a. So my x to the 5th and my y to the -10th are both going to get raised to the power of 1/2. So power to a power, I am going to multiply. So this is going to become the log of x to the, when I take 5 times the 1/2, that will be 5/2. And then when I take the -10 to the 1/2, that will be a -5. All right. Now, these two things are being, whoopsie-daisy, sorry about that. These two things right here are being multiplied together. So now I'm going to use that log rule that says if you have the log of an x times y, that will equal the log of the x plus the log of the y. So this is going to equal the log of the x to the 5/2 plus the log of the -5. But I'm still not done because both of those are raised to a power, and when you're raised to a power, you can use that log rule that says if you have the log of x to the n, that's going to equal n times the log of x. So I'm going to use that for both of these. The 5/2 is going to go in front of the log of x. And then when you move this -5 in front, you're looking at it as a plus, but then -5 goes out in front, and oh, I forgot my y. I'm sorry. There was a y right there. -5 log of y. But whenever you add a negative, it's just subtracting a positive. So my final answer should be 5/2 log of the x minus 5 log of the y. And I'm pretty sure Mobius wants those multiplication dots in there. Hope you can still see that. So let me go back to Mobius. And let's see, I need a fraction. So a over b. 5, backspace it, 2, scroll over, and then times log, I'm going to put the x in parentheses, and then minus 5 times log of y. How did I do? Yay! The end.